everyone, I'm going to show you how you can insert a PDF into your digital planner. So this is something that you could do if you were previously a paper planner and you've recently gone digital, but you have all of these PDFs, planner pages that you love, and you're not sure how you can utilize that digitally. You absolutely can. You don't have to insert them as their own notebook or anything like that, or their own page. You can actually convert them to images and then insert them into the digital planner that you're using. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use a goal setting worksheet that is available for free on my website. It's part of a printable goal setting planner that I made a little while ago. So I'll link to both of those in the video description. So I have already downloaded that PDF from my website and saved it to my iCloud Drive. If you're not sure how to do that, I can make a tutorial on that later. But I'm just going to assume for this sake you already know how to save it to your iCloud Drive. So in order to do this, you're going to need an app called PDF to Images. This app is for the iPad. I'm not sure if they have it on Android or not, but I'm sure if they don't, they have some kind of equivalent app that converts PDF to images. So anyway, after you've downloaded that app, you can pull up the PDF in your iCloud Drive. So I've got mine saved right here, and it's still a PDF when it's in my iCloud Drive. So I'm just going to click on it, and then I'm going to click on this box in the upper right-hand corner, and I'm going to find where it says copy to PDF to image. And then this app is going to instantly pop up, and it looks like it doesn't do anything at all, but it just instantly converts that PDF into an image and then saves it to your camera roll. So now I'm going to close out of that app, and knowing that that's saved to my camera roll, I'm going to go back into my GoodNotes app, and I'm already on the page that I want to insert this printable on. So I'm going to click on the plus sign, I'm going to click on image, I'm going to click on photos, and it's my most recent photo, so I'm going to pull it in. And now, it's a little big, but I can size it down and place it wherever I want to place it, and it's good to go. Now I can fill this out in my digital planner. And if you want to, you can just copy and paste the image. If your planner is like mine and it's not laid out portrait style, like this was a letter size PDF, but you want to fill the blank space over here. Let's say you want to, in this case, use these worksheets to set 2 different goals. You can copy that page and then come over here and paste the page and then put them side by side, just like that, and use it as one page with 2 different goals. So that's how you do it. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions. You can contact me on my website. I try to get back to people as soon as possible. Sometimes it takes me about a day to get back to people because I've got 3 kids, and sometimes life gets a little bit crazy, but I do, for the most part, get back to people within 24 hours, usually no more than 48 hours. Thanks so much. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more digital planning tutorials and digital plan with me videos. And check out my website, naptimealt.com, for tons of freebies that you can download now.